The Reserve Bank of India has introduced harmonized norms for project financing across banks and NBFCs, and this will be effective the 1st of October 2025. Harsh joins us. Harsh, overall, key beneficiaries, PFC, REC that are buzzing in trade, IRDA, SBI, a few other ones that we should be watching out for. Take us through with what has happened and how are you seeing the benefits flowing in for these companies?
Well, it's a big positive, and it was expected to be a little bit positive, but it's come in better than expected. Now, in terms of what the draft suggested, the construction phase required an ECL provisioning of approximately 5%, 2.5% if the project is already in an operational stage. This has come down substantially, and you know that table will come on your screen where you'll see that it's substantially lower versus the earlier draft, which is obviously beneficial to all lenders. This is of course been taken well even by analysts and brokerages. They are also saying that this is much better than expected. In fact, Jefferies, CLSA and some of the notes that I've been reading seem to suggest that a lot of this is already built in to what some of these project finance companies which do this are already pricing in terms of their ECL as of today. So there's going to be really low to no impact. That's the reading that's coming in from how analysts are viewing it. In fact, they're saying we've already built this into our estimates. In terms of what one brokerage says, and that one really stood out for me, MK, they're saying that that it's obviously a key positive, but there's going to be limited profit and net worth impact. And the regulatory capital hit will only come in FY27 once disbursements start to kick through, because while it's prospective 1st October 2025, your disbursements will only happen FY27, and therefore that impact will come in only in FY27.
So project financing in focus today. Just let's pull up PFC and REC, see if it's still buzzing. Even as we close out this segment of India Market Open, there you have it, all three of them up in the green. All right, in the midst of tensions in West Asia, Pranav Adani, director of Adani Enterprises, has talked about geopolitical concern, but assures all their assets are safe at the celebration of the first Foundation Day of Chintan Research Foundation. Listen in.
The completion of the first year of our Chintan Research Foundation. Chintan Research Foundation will largely be focused on geopolitical issues. It's a think tank that we have largely built, and they'll be focused on three particular sectors: economy and trade, geopolitical issues that we have in India, and energy transition. These are the three things that we will be largely looking at. We are very proud on the completion of the first year, the foundation that you saw today. And so thank you very much all for coming over here. Thank you.
So what do you think is the impact of such organizations, how they help the country in moving forward?
As you heard one of the prior speakers, it is very important to have good think tanks that are research-based and largely evidence-based. So that is the role that Chintan Research Foundation will have on the economy, in particular, like I said, on geopolitical issues, on supply chain, on economy, on energy transition. So we are sure that they will work towards that.